हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे अदानी पावर स्टॉक प्राइस डाउन 5.0% एज सेंसेक्स स्लाइड्स। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। Okay, so guys, let's move. Adani Power stock price. Adani Power shares limited, NSE minus 5.00%, fell 5.0% to rupees 248.05 at 2 p.m. hours IST on Friday. Earlier in the day, the stock saw a gap down start to the season. Okay. As per data available on BSE, total trade quantity on the counter stood at 6,36,875 shares with a turnover of rupees 15.81 crore till 2 p.m. IST. Okay, the stock trade at a price to earning PE multiple of 9.74, while the price to book value ratio stood at 13.0. Return on equity ROE was at 89.48% according to exchange data. The stock hit an intraday high of rupees 250.45 and low of rupees 248.05 during the season and quoted a 52-week high price of rupees 432.8 and a 52-week low of rupees 102.85. Okay. The stock's beta value, which measures its volatility in relation to the broader market, stood at 2.84. Technical indicators. Okay, technical indicators. The 200 DMA means day moving average of the stock stood at rupees 316.09 on January 27, while the 50 DMA was at rupees 300.07. If a stock trades above 50 DMA and 200 DMA, it usually means the immediate trend is upward. On the other hand, if the stock trades below 50 DMA and 200 DMA, it is considered a bearish trend. If it trades between 50 DMA and 200 DMA, then it suggests the stock can go either way. Okay, so guys, the relative strength index RSI of the stood at 27.27. The RSI the relative strength index RSI of the stood at 27.27. The RSI oscillates between the 0 and 100. Traditional, a stock is considered overbought when the RSI value stands above 70 and oversold when it is below 30. Okay. Promoters holding as of 31st December 2022, promoters held 74.97% stake in the company, while foreign institutional investors held 12.88% and domestic institutional investors had 0.0%. Okay, so guys, Adani Power stock price down 5.0% as Sensex slides. Adani Power शेयर प्राइस, स्टॉक एनालिसिस एंड रेकॉस। कंपनी के फंडामेंटल्स काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, कंपनी फाइनेंशियल भी काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। अदानी पावर NSE minus 5.00% and fell 5.0% to rupees 248.05 at 2 p.m. and hours IST on Friday. Earlier in the day, the stock saw a gap down start to the season. ओके सो गाइज आज के लिए बस इतना ही। कल फिर मिलते हैं, तब तक के लिए अनुमति दीजिए। नमस्कार। बोलो राधे राधे।